Yo, back today using my HVLP. Some people struggle with them. You gotta remember keep the pressure low because HVLP stands for high volume, low pressure. It helps with fine metallics and silvers, basically champagne colors. With this blending process, I start with almost an orientation coat, and then I scoop closer and I squeeze the trigger a little bit more as I get closer to the repair area. So by the time I'm to the repair area, I can paint as I normally would. Finish that off with a final orientation coat or a dusting. This process is just like reverse blending. I learned it from YouTube when I first started out and I was struggling a bit. Using my Dent Fix Match Right gun, go ahead and check out that blend area. Make sure everything came out immaculate. Looks fantastic. Next, setting up this Luma 3 1.5 Exodus. Open that exhaust all the way up if you have a regulator on it. I go 2 1/4 on the fan and 3 1/4 on the fluids. You really can't tell how smooth it came out because it's silver, but if you don't believe me, you can just always check out the other videos of me painting black, and I really just love the finish and the quality every time. Go ahead and grab one, stop being scared, get out there, try something new, learn something new, because learning is fun.